Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in learning how to design animation from start to finish using artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll give you a comprehensive guide showing each step in the animation process, from the initial idea to the final movement, using AI tools to help speed things up and make the process more professional. The first step in designing any animation is coming up with an idea. Everything starts with a story. Do you want to create a short animation, or maybe an action-packed scene? At this stage, AI can help organize your ideas and create a storyboard using tools like Plot Generator, which suggests ideas and helps you arrange events. Once you have a clear concept, we can move on to the next steps. Next up, we move on to character design. Here we need tools that help us turn ideas into visuals. With AI, we can easily design both three-dimensional and two-dimensional characters. Tools like Character Animator use AI to turn drawings into live characters, helping animate them with facial expressions and body movements automatically. Also, platforms like Artbreeder can assist in generating unique character designs based on your personal preferences. Now we're getting to the most exciting part, animation. This is where the characters start to move and bring the story to life. With AI, creating smooth and precise movements has never been easier. For instance, tools like Blender and Toon Boom use AI techniques to generate movements automatically based on input data. You can input a specific action like a walking scene, and AI will adjust the speed, timing, and motions to match the characters and scenes. No animation is complete without the right sound effects and music. This is where AI can really shine in creating music and sound designs that match the mood of your animation. For example, AIIVA is an AI tool that generates original music based on the atmosphere you want to convey. Additionally, tools like Descript help you edit audio and generate sound effects that seamlessly blend with the animation. Finally, after completing the animation, it's time for reviewing and final edits. At this stage, AI can help you refine the animation significantly. For instance, using tools like Runway ML, you can improve the motion, add visual effects with precision, and adjust the colors quickly. AI can even offer suggestions for adjustments and improvements, making the animation look even more polished and professional. And that's it. That's how you can design an animation from start to finish using artificial intelligence. As you saw, these smart tools can make the animation process faster, more accurate, and with professional-grade enhancements. If you want to learn more about using AI in animation, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.